Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 46. How to help elderly guests. Offer assistance. Proactively offer assistance to elderly guests, showing genuine concern for their comfort and needs. Gentle handling. Handle elderly guests with care and respect, considering their physical limitations and potential fragility. Adjusting pace. Adapt your pace to match the comfort level of elderly guests, allowing them sufficient time to move and make decisions. Considerate communication. Speak in a clear and considerate manner, adjusting your voice volume and tone to ensure they can hear and understand you. Anticipate needs. Be attentive and anticipate the needs of elderly guests based on common functional difficulties associated with aging. Seating arrangements. Prioritize offering comfortable seating options, such as chairs with appropriate support and cushioning. Assistance with mobility. Be ready to assist with mobility, such as offering an arm to hold while walking or providing access to wheelchair-friendly areas. Dietary considerations. Inquire about any dietary restrictions or preferences to ensure their meals align with their health requirements. Patience and empathy. Demonstrate patience and empathy while interacting with elderly guests, showing understanding and respect for their unique needs. Special considerations. Pay attention to details like appropriate table heights and accessibility, ensuring they can comfortably enjoy their dining experience. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.